morning and welcome to Corbett Prep. You've already heard many different things about our school and all that we try to put together for our students. But there's something that is special about meeting our kids and having our kids show you around campus. Our 8th graders at Corbett are leaders. We built our middle school specifically for this program so that they have the opportunity to get all the benefits that guide them into leadership skills and prepare them for academically into the high school program. We have some of our 8th graders here today. They're going to help show us around.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Smith, and I've been here since pre-K 4.
Hi, I'm Rohan Patel, and I've been here since 4th grade.
Hi, I'm Ava Torino, and I've gone to this school since baby room.
Hi, I'm Anna Butts, and I came to Corbett Prep in 6th grade.
Welcome to our athletic field.
We use this field for soccer, football, baseball, softball, and more.
As kids, you make so many memories out here. For example, we remember our soccer games, our mile run championships, and so many more activities that we get to experience.
We're able to take off our masks at time during mass breaks outside, where we're able to just hang out with our friends, do academic work, get caught up on homework, eat snacks, and more.
Come along. We're excited to show you our Dean Dining Hall, our outdoor eating space, and our gymnasium here on the west side.
Hey, you know, this is Chef Chris. He cooks our meals, he coaches soccer. He's just the man to be, you know?
That's right.
This is where we have all of our academic classes here on the middle school side.
This is our middle school music room, where you can meet Mr. Macaulay. Currently in music in 8th grade, we are using GarageBand to create our own pieces of music.
Our classrooms on a daily basis can be opened up to where there are larger classrooms where our team teaching will happen, or they can be separated based on individual programs for our students.
This is my desk. I have everything set up for all of my classes that I need, and I try my best to keep it organized. I have my mask on a little hanger, and it hangs on my desk.
You know, sunlight is an amazing thing. You know, if you put it with carbon dioxide and water, you get all the food of the world. And then we can eat it. Combined with a little oxygen, we get ATP, energy, and carbon dioxide and water, which we ship back to the plants to let them grow again.
Oh, so cool.
Welcome to the East Side campus. This is our beautiful outdoor area. As you can see right here, we have our 1st and 2nd graders eating snacks. Say hi, guys.
Hi!
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Nice.
Is it pajama day?
Yeah.
Pajama day for us!
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
On the east side, we have a lot of events kind of like this, just to make everything more engaging and fun and just let the kids have a good time. I remember I came here in 4th grade in the Going Places actually. And right next to that is the Navigators class, and they're called that because they have a waterfront classroom.
One of my favorite things that I've done here at Corbett Prep is boat races. We spend about a week of separated time in school to create boats out of cardboard with teams, and at the end of the year we race them.
The biggest deal when you become a 5th grader is getting to walk up the stairs, because the entire elementary school, everything is on the 1st floor. But then whenever you finally get to 5th grade, you get to go up the stairs into the penthouse, and that's just the best feeling. I was very excited. And then a few weeks later, we found out that it was more tiring than the other ones.
I really want to get to know this guy. This is one of the best teachers over here. This is Mr. Fields. He's a great friend. He's a great guy. He's just an awesome person to be around.
So we're about to enter one of our 3rd and 4th grade multi-age classrooms, where half the class is 3rd grade and half the class is 4th grade, and we split up for certain activities and we get to come together for different ones. So it looks like they're learning.
Come on, guys. Thank you, everybody.
They teach you how to be cooperative. Like, you have to work together with your teammates. It can't be just a one-man sport. And since everybody gets to play, you get to meet so many new people, and your chemistry with them works much better since you're able to work with them easily.
So theater for me, it's really just one big family, and it's very different from sports, but it's a good different. It's just awesome. It's one big family. We all work together, and it's just a beautiful process.
Well, one of them was that we've been able to incorporate them into our everyday lives. So if we go out and go somewhere and volunteer, we're able to learn from those experiences and make a difference in our world.
So this was definitely one of my favorite classes because it would be so exciting because this is one where we actually left the classroom and we came all the way over here. We got to walk down the boardwalk and then you finally came to art class.
I believe that everyone is an artist. Remember, the cavemen were the first artists, and it was the first thing they did other than hunt for food and look for shelter. So it's in there for all of us. And I know that when you guys were in art class, you dug deep and you found your own personal way to create. And I remember you all fondly. So every once in a while, when I see one of you, and especially when you get to 8th grade, it's like, oh my gosh, can that possibly be those children that I used to teach? They've all grown so tall and so aware of themselves and so confident. And I just hope that being in my art class played a little part in you finding yourself creatively.
Those are our faces.
Those are.
This is still here.
Those are our feet.
Ready?
I don't know where
That's
I am.
me.
Where am I?
So we read a ton of Dr. Seuss books. That was our big series. And then the Pinkalicious books were my personal favorite. I read Pinkalicious, Purplicious, Sparklicious, Rainbowlicious. So I read all those books. And then we like to read everything with color, so the crayon books and the We Need More Purple People. So that was always cool. And sometimes during breaks, these crayons would be on that little table and we would sit in those chairs and get to draw. So that was a very fun memory.
This is where our pre-K 3 and pre-K 4 classes are, our flower patch and our beach buddies.
Thank you for joining us on our tour, and thank you to this amazing group of students that showed us around today. If you had one thing that you would share with the family, what would it be about Corbett Prep?
So for me, this school is really just life-changing. It prepares you for the next year in your life. And I know as a middle schooler now, Corbett Prep has just prepared me so well for high school.
This school has given me so many opportunities to shine that I never would have gotten if I had gone anywhere else. These schools have given me chances like STEM fairs, STEAM symposiums, soccer games. There's a ton of stuff that I probably wouldn't have ever been able to do if I hadn't come to Corbett.
It's really just a magical place where we get to experience all of these different activities with our really close friends, and we build amazing relationships that I know I'll keep for years and years to come.
So one last thing, and I think it's an area that we've talked about a little bit today, but what are our teachers mean to you?
A lot.
Oh, our teachers have just been out of this world, especially with COVID. They've worked around all of our schedules. If you have something at night and you are just really struggling, they're always able to just be there for you. You can call them whenever you need and get help in really anything.
I know that whenever I was struggling with math in 7th grade, I was able to come into school every day at 7:30 and be able to work with my teachers up until the time that school actually started. And it's really helpful, like, ooh, I missed a day, ooh, I need to get this in advance. They really work with you to be able to be your best student you can be.
So these teachers literally they just sacrifice the world for us. They focus all of their time and attention on us no matter what, like everyone else was talking about. They're always there to reach out to us or communicate with us if we need help for anything. They make sure our learning is fun and engaging. They just do so well at the school.
Thank you guys. And thank you everybody. We look forward to having you on campus.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.